Hello guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to create a camera shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. To create a camera shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, first of all we'll create a new sequence and then insert the video into the sequence. And then we need to create a adjustment layer. After that, if we put directional blur from the effects panel into the adjustment layer, then we have to click the toggle animation button of the blur layer and increase the blur, let's say 27 or let's say 28, and then need to move one frame forward. We'll set the parameter of first point and then one frame forward and set it to 0, and then one frame forward set it to we'll keep the delay to 128, and then one frame forward again will be 0. So here you can see some camera shake effect is applied on the clips, and if you want to duplicate and more of these effects on your video, you can duplicate this by pressing Ctrl+C, and if we increase the blur length, one more of this effect, just copy this, paste this. Let's play the video. You can see some camera shake effect has been created and applied. See on the full screen. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. To get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.